Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Paudash Ontario is a beautiful small community located in Haliburton County. It sits just south of the larger towns of Bancroft and Haliburton, nestled among forests, lakes, and rolling hills. It's the perfect destination for nature lovers and anyone looking to relax in the great outdoors. Paudash gets its name from Chief Johnson Paudash, a respected Ojibwe chief from the Hiawatha First Nation, near Rice Lake. He was not only a leader in his community, but also a decorated sniper during World War I, known for his skill and bravery on the battlefield. Even after his service, he continued advocating for Indigenous rights and became a rural mail carrier in Canada. His legacy lives on in the area's name and history. This region is part of Ontario's cottage country. With so many nearby lakes, including Paudash Lake, it's no surprise that it's a popular spot for boating, fishing, and swimming. You can also enjoy hiking and biking in nearby trails. If you enjoy quiet, scenic drives, this area is ideal. Whether you're passing through or staying for a weekend at one of the local cottages or campgrounds, Paudash is a wonderful place to unwind and connect with nature.
you.